to my channel. I'm Nafi Edward here. So today let's talk about vinyls. Vinyls that I've used so far in my projects. Actually, like for t-shirt printing, I use in my project, I use heat transfer vinyl. It's called heat transfer vinyl. You can actually print it on any garment that you can choose. And there's also another vinyl that you can use for stickers. It's called sticker vinyl, and most of the times people use Oracle. Like for me, the one that I've used so far is Oracle 641, and I have a project that I did for that here on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box so that you should check it out. And there's also printable vinyl. You can use that vinyl for, there's printable sticker vinyl, and there's also printable heat transfer vinyl that you can, firstly you print it before you use it. Let me show you the difference that I'm saying. On here I have two different kinds of vinyls. The other one is sticker vinyl. You cannot use sticker vinyl on a t-shirt. And I have heat transfer vinyl. You use heat transfer vinyl on t-shirt printing or whatever you want to print, whatever garment you want to print, you use heat transfer vinyl. It's either you can just use heat transfer vinyl or you can use printable heat transfer vinyl. So we have two there, heat transfer vinyl and printable heat transfer vinyl. For printable heat transfer vinyl, you have to print it first before you use it for printing. And there are also two different kinds of sticker vinyls. There's just sticker vinyl and there is printable sticker vinyl. You use printable sticker vinyl, you first print it before you cut the stickers. On the other hand, the other one, you just transfer it on a transfer tape. There are videos that I've done using this kind of vinyl. So I just want to show you the difference between heat transfer vinyl and the other vinyl, sticker vinyl. Okay, so this is the glossy part for heat transfer vinyl, and this is the other part. On the other hand, this is just a sticker vinyl, and it has a white paper, and most of the times people use Oracle, and there are different kinds of oracles that one can use. The other difference between these two vinyls, they are all in gold, right? You can use this one on t-shirt printing, while this one you cannot use it on t-shirt printing. You can just use it as a sticker. You want to stick like wallpapers, you can use this sticker vinyl for wallpapers. And there's also this one, printable sticker vinyl. You can use this for stickers. For example, I have stickers that I made using this printable sticker vinyl. And the way you do it also is different. This one, you cannot use transfer tape to transfer the vinyl, while this one, you use a transfer tape. I'll put a link in my description box below to see how you transfer this vinyl to an object. And also I'll put a link in the description box below to show you how you can use heat transfer vinyl. I used on my t-shirt project, and this one is it's glossy though, but it is printable sticker vinyl. And the way you treat printable sticker vinyl and the normal sticker vinyl, the other sticker vinyl is also different, like I've mentioned. This one you have to print first here. Once you print, and then you just send it to your Cricut and you cut. And what you will have when you print this one for stickers, you have stickers like this. I don't know if you can see. This is a thank you sticker. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, this is a thank you stickers. I made thank you stickers using those stickers. So these are actually stickers made from printable sticker vinyl. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe. Bye.